If you've ever wanted to make your Word documents look cleaner, more professional, or simply more visual, adding shapes is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shapes in Microsoft Word step by step, using the built-in tools that are already included in Word. Whether you want to create a box, a circle, an arrow, a callout, or even a custom design element, this tutorial will help you do it quickly and confidently. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open the document you want to work on in Microsoft Word. You can start with a blank document or a document that already has text and content in it. Once your file is open, look at the top of the screen and click the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps many of its visual and design tools, including pictures, icons, charts, and of course, shapes. After clicking Insert, find the Shapes button. When you click it, a menu will open with a wide selection of shapes you can use. You'll see basic shapes like rectangles, circles, lines, arrows, triangles, and more advanced options like stars, banners, and callouts. This is where you can choose the shape that best fits your document. Now, go ahead and choose any shape you want. For example, if you need a simple box for a layout, select a rectangle. If you want to highlight something important, you might choose an arrow or a callout. If you want to create a diagram, a circle or line may work better. Microsoft Word gives you plenty of options, so feel free to explore and pick the one that matches your goal. Once you select a shape, your mouse pointer will change, and you can click and drag directly on the page to draw it. Hold your mouse button down and drag until the shape is the size you want, then release it. The shape will appear on your document right where you placed it. If it doesn't look perfect the first time, don't worry. You can resize it, move it, or adjust it afterward. After adding the shape, you can click it to select it and then move it around the page. You can also drag the corners to make it bigger or smaller. If you want to change the appearance, Word usually shows you shape format options at the top where you can change the fill color, outline color, effects, and style. That means you can turn a plain shape into something that looks much more polished and customized. You can also use shapes to organize information, create visual steps, point to important text, or make your document easier to read. For example, you could place arrows next to instructions, use boxes to separate sections, or add circles around key details. Shapes are very useful in reports, flyers, guides, worksheets, and even simple notes. If you accidentally add the wrong shape, you can simply select it and delete it, then try again with a different one. The good thing about Word is that it makes editing very easy, so you can experiment until your document looks exactly how you want. The more you use shapes, the faster you'll get at creating clean and visually appealing layouts. So, to quickly recap, open your Word document, go to the Insert tab, click Shapes, choose the shape you want, and then click and drag on the page to draw it. That's all it takes to add shapes in Microsoft Word. It's a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference in the way your document looks and feels. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.